topic for this year is why maths is more than just numbers.
Here is Jacob kicking a soccer ball. Analysing the picture, we can tell by using a protractor the angle of the kick, thus giving us an opportunity to create a triangle, which we found out had a degree of 63. Gathering more information about the kick, we found out that Jacob kicked the ball at a speed of 6.4 metres per second. And by measuring Jacob in the picture, we came to a conclusion that he was 5 centimetres tall. Then I measured him in real life, and he was 150 centimetres tall. Giving us a scale of 1 centimetre in the picture is 30 centimetres in real life. Now we've got a really important part of the video, which everyone needs, an extremely lazy dog.
To determine how long the ball is in the air, we need to split our velocity into its horizontal and vertical components using some trigonometry. The sine ratio is given by opposite over the hypotenuse, so we will have to work out the opposite by timesing sine 63 by 6.4. This cannot be done without a calculator, so after using our calculator, we get an answer of 5.7 meters per second. This is the vertical velocity. Now we need to use the rule v equals u plus at, which means velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration of gravity times time. Therefore, 5.7 equals 0 plus 9.8, the acceleration of gravity, times t. And t equals 5.7 divided by 9.8. By doing this equation, we get an answer of 0.58. Because we only measured half our time from the...
Bored of Jacob talking about trigonometry, so I decided to add some jokes. What did the triangle say to the circle? You're so pointless. I like angles, to a degree. Life without geometry would be so pointless. Math teachers get their large circumference from too much pi. Okay, that's my math jokes. Back to trigonometry.
The top of the flight. We have to double it, giving us an answer of 1.16. To work out the horizontal velocity, we must use the cosine ratio. With the equation, cos 63 equals adjacent over 6.4. To work out the adjacent, we must use 6.4 times 63. This can be done without a calculator, but we chose to use one, and we got an answer of 2.9 meters per second, which is the horizontal velocity. Now that we know how long the ball is in the air and the horizontal velocity, we can calculate where it is going to land, just by timesing them together, which would give us an equation of 2.9 times 1.16. and an answer of 3.36 meters. And because we want it in centimeters, we are going to change it to 336 centimeters and adjust it to the scale by dividing it by 30, which will give us a distance of 11.2 centimeters.
Now that we have completed our trigonometry calculations, we know that the ball will land approximately 11 centimeters away from Jacob in the picture. We are going to play the video now to see if our theory is correct. If you choose maths, it's been really fun working with Jacob and Logan, and we've enjoyed being in this competition.